Dear HSC learners, you all are welcome to online English class. In today's session, I will read from the textbook that is English for Today, Unit 1, Lesson 3, titled Two Women. These two women who have made extraordinary achievements in their life in the history of mankind. That is, they have made outstanding contribution in the development of exploration into the universe. One is Valentina Tereshkova and the other woman is Kalpana Chawla. And these two women have made history in the world. Valentina Tereshkova is a Russian cosmonaut who was born on 6 March 1937. His father was a tractor driver and her mother was a worker in a textile plant. You know, textile plant is a textile factory related to weaving or fabric. Valentina Tereshkova started her education at a school in 1945 when she was 8 years old. And at the age of 1953, Tereshkova left school but continued her education through distance learning. From an early age, Tereshkova became very much interested in parachuting. So, from an early stage, in the very beginning, Valentina Tereshkova got training for parachuting in a local aero club. And at the age of 22, she made her first jump that led to her selection as a cosmonaut. You know, Yuri Gagarin, a Russian cosmonaut, a famous person in the history of human civilization. Yuri Gagarin, being a Russian cosmonaut, was the first human being to travel to outer space. And after that flight in 1961, Russia decided to send a woman to outer space. And as part of that, in 1962, Valentina Tereshkova was selected for the flight for this project among more than 400 applicants. That is, the competition through which Valentina Tereshkova had to go was a serious competition. So, in 1962, Valentina Tereshkova was selected for this flight to outer space. So, Valentina Tereshkova had to undergo a series of trainings, and these trainings are weightless flights, isolation tests, rocket theory, pilot training in MiG-15 UTI jet fighters, etc. Later in 1963, after the successful launch of Vostok 5, it was 14 June 1963, the Soviet Union decided to send Valentina Tereshkova to outer space on 16 June 1963. So, Valentina Tereshkova and her backup cosmonaut was taken to the space shuttle launch pad, and the Vostok 6 was successfully launched, and this was really a great achievement in the history of human civilization, that a woman flew to outer space for exploration, and this is the story about Valentina Tereshkova. So after you reading the passage, the students may be asked to write some questions. For example, answering short questions, writing point, writing flowchart, multiple choice questions, even writing summary. In today's session, I will show you writing flowchart after reading this passage. So the question may be like this. You will see flowchart in the question paper like this. After you are reading the passage, make short notes in each of the boxes in the flowchart showing the achievements or the incidents in the life of Valentina Tereshkova. And in the question paper, the student will see number one short note done for the students, and the students will be following the number one short note or point or flowchart to write the next points within the box. The first number point or short note is interested in parachuting. That is, Valentina Tereshkova became interested in parachuting. So, in my last class, I taught you some tips of writing flowchart, and in that discussion, I showed you how to write flowchart, how to avoid subject, and how to make phrases, how to make short notes, how to make points to fill the boxes. And in this situation, the points of the flowchart should be written in a coherent order, and the students should follow the first model. So in writing flowchart or short notes or phrases, learners always keep in mind to avoid the subject. For example, Valentina Tereshkova became interested in parachuting at an early age of life. So the subject here have been cut out. The subject is cut out, and to make short note, this model has been chosen. Interested in parachuting. So we can easily understand the subject is Valentina Tereshkova. Let us now see the second point. You will write the points, the incidents and the events, the achievements in the life of Valentina Tereshkova. Valentina Tereshkova was trained in skydiving. So we should cut out the subject to make short notes or points or phrases. So you should write trained in skydiving. We are just following the first number model given in the question paper, that is interested in parachuting. Trained in skydiving, number 2. Number 3, Valentina Tereshkova worked. Valentina Tereshkova worked or was employed as a textile worker in a textile plant. So we will make short notes or phrases by cutting out the subject. So the students should write following the first model. Number 1, employed as a textile worker. Number 4, selected as a cosmonaut. In the textbook, in the passage you will see Valentina Tereshkova was selected as a cosmonaut. But as we are following the first model given in the question paper, we should write selected as a cosmonaut. This is called phrase or short note or point. So the full sentence was Valentina Tereshkova was selected as a cosmonaut. We are avoiding the subject to make a phrase or short note or point. So number 4 is selected as a cosmonaut. Here the learners can easily understand Valentina Tereshkova was selected as a cosmonaut, but for writing point, but for making phrase or short note, we are just cutting out the subject and writing this selected as a cosmonaut, and we are writing short notes following the first model given in the question paper, that is interested in parachuting. Let's now go to number 5. In the story, we see Valentina Tereshkova had to undergo a series of trainings. For example, isolation tests, for example, weightless training, weightless flight, for example, rocket theory, for example, 120 parachute jumps, etc. We will not go writing all these things. We will write in short, received a series of trainings. That is, Valentina Tereshkova had to undergo a series of trainings that included weightless flight, isolation tests, rocket theory, pilot training in MiG-15, etc. But we are just following the first number model which is given in the question paper, that is interested in parachuting. So following this model, we are writing short note or phrase, received a series of trainings. The learners can easily understand who. And next we see number 6. Valentina Tereshkova launched Vostok 6 faultlessly. That is, Valentina Tereshkova launched Vostok 6 faultlessly. But as we are making a flowchart following the first model given in the question paper, we are making short notes or phrase or points and writing it within the boxes. So, launched Vostok 6 faultlessly. The learners here can easily understand who. Valentina Tereshkova launched Vostok 6 faultlessly. So, as you are making phrase or short note or points right within the box to make flowchart, that is, the points should be written in a coherent order. We are just writing the points one after another, just according to their importance, or we are just following the chronological events or things that happened. So number 6 launched Vostok 6 faultlessly. So we see this flowchart was about showing the incidents in the life of Valentina Tereshkova. The first model phrase is given for the student interested in parachuting, and you are writing the second point, trained in skydiving. Then number 3, employed as a textile worker. Number 4, selected as a cosmonaut. Number 5, received a series of trainings. And number 6, launched Vostok 6 faultlessly. And this is all for today. Thank you all for watching me, for watching this video. I will be again with you in my next class with a different with another lesson. Thank you all.